Today I'll be sharing with you how to turn this image, the still image, or any other photo you have into something that looks like this. That very same still image right now singing a song. Let's get started. So first of all, head on over to your Play Store app or Apple Store, and then in the search bar type in Wombo, wombo.ai, or just type in Wombo, it's all the same. And then click on the download button at the top which says Wombo, make your selfies thingy, that app. I'll put a link to this in the description as well so you can install it. So let me just install it onto my phone. And now that I've installed, just click on open directly from that page. And then here, just click on let's go. And then here, just give it access to Wombo to access your photos, media, and also your camera. And then after that, you can take a photo directly from here by adjusting your face. But I'm not going to be doing that because I already have an image which I got from Google, which I'm going to be using, which is a cartoon character which you're going to make him sing. So let me click on the image icon right here. Just click on the image icon and it'll open up your media page where you can select the photo. This is my photo right here of Andy. Just adjust it so that it crops him correctly, and then just click on the check mark here, right here. And then click on the W button right here, which is of course represents the Wombo logo. Just click on that and make sure you read these tips, which says hold the camera at high eye level and look directly into the camera so that they can adjust the eyes and stuff. Just click on the W icon, and then now over here you can select a song. Let's say you can select Despacito or any other kind of song you want by clicking on all, and then you can select any other song you like. You can even go to premium where you have to pay for getting these songs, or use meme types of songs like these, or funny songs also. Right here, as you can see, we have these funny songs. I'm going to select the top 10, this one, which is Despacito. Select it and then click on the W icon. Select the song and then click on the W icon and then wait for it to load up to process your photo. Despacito. And as you can see, it has loaded up our image, and as you can see, it's moving and the mouth is lip synced according to the song. So as you can see, we are done with our video. We turned a normal still image from this into something that looks like this. Even though it has that watermark on the Wombo, that Wombo.ai, it still doesn't matter. And then once you're done making your video, just click on the download button or the save button right here. Or if you think it didn't come out properly, you can click on the again button again, and then click on and then restart your process. Now that we've saved it, let me increase the volume and show you how it turned out. So let me just go to photos, and then let me scroll down and then find the Wombo folder, and there it is, our photo video. Right now it's a video, earlier it was a photo, and right now we have the complete photo being lip synced. So guys, that's the end of this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with your friends. And if you have any queries, you can fill out the SahimTech query and suggestion form. Till then, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.